Nationwide, the number of people infected with COVID-19 has jumped to more than 300,000 in the last 24 hours. As Nicole Killian reports, federal health officials do warn things will get much worse during the week ahead.
Outside Wyckoff Hospital in Brooklyn, there is a makeshift morgue filling up with orange body bags. New York has been the state hardest hit by the coronavirus pandemic, but the governor says over the last few days, the number of deaths has decreased. There are fewer hospitalizations, and more coronavirus patients have been discharged.
We could be either very near the apex, or the apex could be a plateau, and we could be on that plateau right now.
But for other states, the numbers continue to rise. New Jersey's governor says the virus has killed more residents than the 9/11 attacks. Louisiana had its largest single-day uptick in deaths Sunday, and Texas officials are now stopping people coming from Louisiana into Texas, making sure they understand they must quarantine for 14 days.
I think Texas is kind of protecting themselves by doing that.
And the city of Boston has implemented a curfew from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. in an effort to slow the spread. Members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force say those kinds of social distancing measures are working, but the president admits the situation will continue to worsen.
I think we all know that we have to reach a certain point, and that point is going to be a horrific point in terms of death. The next week and a half, 2 weeks are going to be, I think they're going to be very difficult.
Earlier, Dr. Anthony Fauci warned the virus may be seasonal.
That as we get into next season, we may see the beginning of a resurgence.
He says that's why a vaccine is vital and why people in the 8 states without stay-at-home orders should practice social distancing regardless. In Florida, hundreds of healthy cruise ship passengers began to disembark from the Coral Princess. 2 people on the ship had died of the coronavirus. The ship had been denied docking by 3 countries after it was announced that 12 people on board had COVID-19. Nicole Killian, CBS News, the White House.